friends, this is Nanu Gurjar, wishing you a very happy 74th Independence Day and congratulations to Indo-Canada Arts Council and Consulate General of India. I want to dedicate this song for our country.
माँ का दिल बन के कभी सीने से लग जाता है तू, माँ का दिल बन के कभी सीने से लग जाता है तू, और कभी नन्ही सी बेटी बन के याद आता है तू, जितना याद आता है मुझको उतना तड़पाता है तू, तुझ पे दिल कुर्बान, तू ही मेरी आरज़ू, तू ही मेरी आबरू, तू ही मेरी जान है मेरे प्यारे वतन, है मेरे बिछड़े चमन, तुझ पे दिल कुर्बान, तुझ पे दिल कुर्बान, तुझ पे दिल कुर्बान।
जय हिंद, भारत माता की जय।
Namaskar, I am your Udit Narayan. Congratulations to Indo-Canada Arts Council and Consulate General of India, Toronto, for the first ever flag hoisting at Niagara Falls to celebrate 74th Indian Independence Day and illumination of Niagara Falls in Indian tricolor on August 15th, 2020. Thank you, Consulate General of India and Indo-Canada Arts Council for giving me this opportunity. Jai Hind. बाप के कंधे चढ़ के जहाँ बच्चे देखे मेले, मेलों में नट के तमाशे, कुल्फी के चाट के ठेले, कहीं मिलती मीठी गोली, कहीं चूरन की है पुड़िया, भोले भोले बच्चे हैं जैसे गुड्डे और गुड़िया, और इनको रोज सुनाए दादी नानी, हो रोज सुनाए दादी नानी एक परियों की कहानी। ऐसा देश है मेरा, ऐसा देश है मेरा, हो ऐसा देश है मेरा, ऐसा देश है मेरा, हाँ ऐसा देश है मेरा। धरती सुनहरी अंबर नीला, हो धरती सुनहरी अंबर नीला, हर मौसम रंगीला, ऐसा देश है मेरा, हाँ ऐसा देश है मेरा, ऐसा देश है मेरा, हो ऐसा देश है मेरा। बोल पपीहा कोयल गाए, बोल पपीहा कोयल गाए, सावन घिर के आए, ऐसा देश है मेरा, हाँ ऐसा देश है मेरा, ऐसा देश है मेरा, हो ऐसा देश है मेरा।
Namaskar, I am Nitin Mukesh. I wish to congratulate Indo-Canada Arts Council in association with the Consulate General of India, Toronto, on the first ever Independence Day celebrations being held at the Niagara Falls to commemorate our 74th Independence Day. It's a great feeling to know that the beautiful Niagara Falls will be illuminated with the colors of the tricolor. What a proud moment for Indians and Canadians both. Our ties are so strong, and this only goes to strengthen them further. I was fortunate to sing at the Niagara Falls for the Diwali Mela last year, and that will stay in my memory forever as long as I live. It was a beautiful experience, and I'm sure this will be even a bigger and a better experience. I wish you all the very best. Congratulations, Ajay Modi ji, and I wish all fellow Indians a very happy Independence Day. It's our 74th. God bless you with so many more. So many more. God bless you. Jai Hind.
Hi, this is Javed Ali. My heartiest congratulations to Indo-Canada Arts and Council and Consulate General of India, Toronto, for the first ever flag hosting at Niagara Falls to celebrate 74th India Independence Day and illumination of Niagara Falls in Indian tricolors on 15th August 2020.
Hi, this is Richa Sharma, and many congratulations to Indo-Canada Art Council in association with Consulate General of India, Toronto. This is going to be so beautiful to see our tricolor, our flag, first time ever on Niagara Falls on 15th August 2020. Many congratulations once again and happy Independence Day. भारत हमको जान से प्यारा है, सबसे प्यारा गुलिस्तां हमारा है. जय हिंद.
Namaste, this is me, Bhumi Trivedi. My heartiest congratulations to Indo-Canada Arts and Council and Consulate General of Indian Embassy, Toronto, for the first ever flag hoisting at Niagara Falls to celebrate the most prestigious Indian Independence Day. Happy Independence Day to each and every Indian. Jai Hind.
Namaste, this is Sanchita, playback singer from Mumbai. Congratulations to Indo-Canada Arts Council and Consulate General of India, Toronto, for the first ever flag hosting at Niagara Falls to celebrate 74th Indian Independence Day and illumination of Niagara Falls in Indian tricolor on August 15th, 2020. Wow. So Jai Hind, thank you.
थी खून से लथपथ काया, फिर भी बंदूक उठा के 10-10 को एक ने मारा, फिर गिर गए होश गवा के. जब अंत समय आया तो, जब अंत समय आया तो कह गए कि अब मरते हैं. खुश रहना देश के प्यारों, खुश रहना देश के प्यारों. अब हम तो सफर करते हैं, अब हम तो सफर करते हैं. क्या लोग थे वो दीवाने, क्या लोग थे वो अभिमानी, जो शहीद हुए हैं उनकी जरा याद करो कुर्बानी. तुम भूल न जाओ उनको, इसलिए सुनो ये कहानी. जो शहीद हुए हैं उनकी जरा याद करो कुर्बानी. जय हिंद, जय हिंद की सेना, जय हिंद, जय हिंद की सेना. जय हिंद, जय हिंद की सेना. भारत माता की जय. हाथों से मेरे हाथ हाथ तेरे छूटे तो यार सिहर गई मैं, तू सरहद पे बलिदान हुआ, दहलीज पे घर की मर गई मैं। तेरी मिट्टी में मिल जावा, गुल बन के मैं खिल जावा, इतनी सी है दिल की आरज़ू। Namaskar everyone, this is your own Rupali Jaga, #RJ. Congratulations to Indo-Canada Arts Council and Consulate General of India, Toronto for the first time ever flag hosting at Niagara Falls to celebrate the 74th Independence Day in Toronto at Niagara Falls and illuminating the Niagara Falls in tricolor on 15th of August. This is so beautiful to say even, and congratulations everyone for the 74th Independence Day. Jai Hind.
सबको दीपा नारायण झा का प्यार भरा नमस्कार। हेलो एवरीवन, दिस इज दीपा नारायण झा। आई विश यू ऑल वेरी वेरी हैप्पी इंडिपेंडेंस डे। नमस्कार।
जय हिंद, जय हिंद।
ऐ वतन वतन मेरे आबाद रहे तू, ऐ वतन वतन मेरे आबाद रहे तू, मैं जहाँ रहूं जहाँ में याद रहे तू, मैं जहाँ रहूं जहाँ में याद रहे तू। ऐ वतन मेरे वतन, ऐ वतन मेरे वतन। तू ही मेरी मंजिल पहचान तुझे से, तू ही मेरी मंजिल पहचान तुझे से, पहुँचूं मैं जहाँ भी मेरी बुनियाद रहे तू, पहुँचूं मैं जहाँ भी मेरी बुनियाद रहे तू। ऐ वतन मेरे वतन, ऐ वतन मेरे वतन, ऐ वतन वतन मेरे आबाद रहे तू, मैं जहाँ रहूं जहाँ में याद रहे तू। ऐ वतन मेरे वतन, ऐ वतन मेरे वतन, ऐ वतन मेरे वतन।
Of Niagara, to the Member of Parliament of Niagara, of the Indian Council General, and Mr. Ajay Modi of Indo-Canada Arts Council. I think it's a great moment for India. It's a great moment from India-Canada friendship, and I look forward to being personally there on the 75th anniversary of 75th Independence Day of India. I wish all across Canada a very happy Independence Day. Wish you all the very best, a great 74th Independence Day, and hopefully we'll see you all on the 75th celebrations of Independence Day. Till then, Jai Hind. चिट्ठी आई है चिट्ठी आई है, चिट्ठी आई है वतन से चिट्ठी आई है, बड़े दिनों के बाद हमने वतनों को याद, बड़े दिनों के बाद हमने वतनों को याद, वतन की मिट्टी आई है, चिट्ठी आई है चिट्ठी आई है। Namaskar, this is Pankaj Udas, and it's indeed a heartwarming initiative by Indian Council General of Toronto and Indo-Canada Arts Council to celebrate the first ever India Independence Day with special illumination of the falls of Niagara Falls in Indian tricolors. Congratulations to everyone involved in this great initiative. A very big thank you to the Lord Mayor of Niagara, to the Member of Parliament of Niagara, of the Indian Council General, and Mr. Ajay Modi of Indo-Canada.
Congratulations to Indo-Canada Arts Council and Consulate General of India, Toronto, for the first ever flag hosting at Niagara Falls to celebrate 74th Indian Independence Day and illumination of Niagara Falls in India. Tricolors on August 15th, 2020. Jai Hind. Happy Independence Day. I am Sunil Pal and love you all. Jai Hind. Jai Canada.
Namaste. Congratulations. What a splendid day. What great joy to think that the Indian Independence Day on August 15th is going to be celebrated at Niagara Falls, with the falls being illuminated with the tricolour of the Indian flag. It's a great feeling, and I would like to share this joy and happiness with all my fellow Indians in Canada. My congratulations to the Consulate General of India in Toronto and the Indo-Canada Arts Council. ये दुनिया एक दुल्हन, ये दुनिया एक दुल्हन, दुल्हन के माथे की बिंदिया, ये मेरा इंडिया, I love my India, ये मेरा इंडिया, I love my India.
नमस्कार दोस्तों, इंडिया कनाडा कॉन्सुलेट जनरल ऑफ इंडिया। बड़ी खुशी की बात है कि इंडिया कनाडा यूनाइटेड फ्लैग ओकेजन होने जा रहा है 15 अगस्त को हमारे नायग्रा फॉल के पास कनाडा में। 74th इंडिपेंडेंस डे मनाया जा रहा है, जहां पर इंडिया एंड कनाडा मिक्स होकर इस खूबसूरत नज़ारे को, इस खूबसूरत विजन को दुनिया के सामने रखेगा। वेरी वेरी प्राउड मोमेंट, वेरी प्राउड डे एंड वेरी प्राउडली आई कैन से जय हिंद, जय कनाडा।
यहाँ वहाँ सारा जहाँ देख लिया है, कहीं भी तेरे जैसा कोई नहीं है। 80 नहीं 100 दिन दुनिया घुमा है, नहीं कहीं तेरे जैसा कोई नहीं। मैं गई जहाँ भी बस तेरी याद थी, जो मेरे साथ थी मुझको तड़पाती रुलाती। सबसे प्यारी तेरी सूरत, प्यार है बस तेरा प्यार ही। माँ तुझे सलाम, अम्मा तुझे सलाम, माँ तुझे सलाम। वंदे मातरम, वंदे वंदे मातरम, वंदे मातरम, वंदे मातरम, वंदे मातरम, वंदे मातरम। Hi, this is Keka Ghoshal here. I want to congratulate Indo-Canada Art Circle and the Consulate General of India for the first ever flag hoisting at the Niagara Falls on the occasion of India's 74th Independence Day and the illumination of Niagara Falls in Indian tricolor on 15th of August 2020. I am proud to be an Indian. Jai Hind.
And we'll just stand up in few minutes for the national anthem of both the countries, Canada and India, followed by the keynote addresses. So I would also like to thank some of our key sponsors here in the evening, but I'll do that in due course of time. But we have ICICI Bank, State Bank of India, Incredible India. Incredible India is the Indian government's national tourism board, which promotes the tourism of India. State Bank of India and ICICI Bank celebrating the 74th India Independence Day for the first time in Niagara Falls. Am I right, Jay? So once again, it's a great pleasure to be hoisting our flags of Canada and India's relationship and the friendship here, and to celebrate this great occasion with all our VIPs and dignitaries in place here. So we'll just give us a few minutes and we're going to be starting the national anthem for both the countries. I would request everybody to stand up for the national anthem of Canada. And now we'll keep standing for the national anthem of India. I would like the Honorable Consul General to come here.
पंजाब सिंध गुजरात मराठा द्राविड उत्कल बंगा विंध्य हिमाचल यमुना गंगा चञ्चल जलधितरङ्गा तव शुभ नामे जागे तव शुभ आशीष मांगे गाहे तव जय गाथा जनगण मंगलदायक जय हे भारत भाग्य विधाता जय हे जय हे जय हे जय 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 हे
Now I would ask everybody to take your seats, but please, once again, it's an humble request to maintain social distancing. If you are in close proximity, then you may please come and have a mask or take sanitizer from us if you require it, but please maintain social distancing if you are not living in the same household. And if you need to any help, we are available. I would now request upon the Honorable Consul General of India, Ms. Apurva Srivastava, to give us the keynote address.
Namaskar. First of all, I would like to wish a very happy 74th Independence Day of India to all of you, all Indo-Indians, Indo-Canadians and friends of India. I would especially like to thank the Chair of Niagara Park Commission, His Worship, the Mayor, MP, Honorable MPP for being here and supporting us, and also for welcoming us with open arms in your beautiful, beautiful city of Niagara. So I would also like to thank Indo-Canadian Art Council for welcoming us here, for organizing this event and taking this initiative of first ever flag raising ceremony in the city of Niagara. So thank you all for this. It's a great beginning and we hope to continue this beautiful relationship with the city of Niagara. As you all know, when we think of Canada in India, the first thing that comes into mind is Niagara Falls. So when I was posted to Canada, my first to-do list was top 3 items was to go to Niagara. So it's a great thing. And as I was telling His Worship today that since there was a news of this flag hoisting and the this Niagara Fall, the illumination of Niagara Fall in tricolor, there has been a real buzz in the media back home. I have been getting calls, emails, WhatsApp to just get the feed of Niagara Falls in Indian tricolors. So I hope that this is the beginning of this beautiful relationship together, and we'll continue to do more and more. And I hope to do a real big stuff with all of you together on the 75th Independence Day of India. I again wish you, sorry? Okay, and I also want to thank Hornblower because they have put the Indian flag on the Hornblower boats. So thank you so much. That's a great thing. I would also like to see the photographs of that. The ways the city have come together, the various iconic locations and the various iconic themes have come together to celebrate India today. It really warms up my heart. Canada and India are great partners. They are natural partners. We are strategic partners. The 1.6 million Indo-Canadians, 700,000 Indian citizens and 225,000 Indian students form the living bridge of between India and Canada. And today is just a little symbol of that. So thank you so much. Thank you so much for welcoming here, all of us here in Niagara Falls, and I hope to continue this beautiful relationship. Thank you once again. A very happy Independence Day to all of you. Jai Hind! Jai Hind!
Jai Hind!
Jai Hind!
Jai Hind!
Thank you.
On that note, I would also like to say, long live Canada! Long live Canada! Long live Canada! And now I would like to request the Honorable Chair of Niagara Parks Commission, who has given us this beautiful location and the venue and the permission to hoist the flag and celebrate the India Independence Day, as well as the special illumination of the falls in the tricolor.
Good evening, everyone. My name is Sandy Bellows, and I'm the chair of the Niagara Parks Commission. It's an absolute honor to be here today to celebrate the 74th year of independence, especially in this beautiful Oaks Garden here. We are honored to be joined by India's High Commissioner and Consul General, as well as our other distinguished guests today. And it looks like the rain's about to start. Niagara Falls and Niagara Parks are known as a gathering place for different people and cultures from all around the world. And we take great pride in welcoming this. In fact, in a typical year, we welcome tens of thousands of visitors from India to our property here at Niagara Parks. Clearly, these are different times, and we do not currently have the opportunity to host international guests. But we know that that day will come again, and we will be very much look forward to welcoming all our travelers, your families, your friends, and we look very forward for them to come and spend some time here in Niagara Parks. While our borders may be closed, Southern Ontario is fortunate enough to be home to a thriving Indian community. When we continue to see strong support from the summer across our sites and attractions. Again, it's not typical, but hopefully by next year we'll welcome all of your friends, families, and anybody from India. We'd be glad to have them. We've always welcomed them in the past. You're more than welcome, and we want you to come and stay with us here. We are grateful for the opportunity to host events like this one and provide a beautiful venue like Oaks Garden Theatre to recognize and to pay tribute to such a special day in the history of India. Later this evening, beginning at 8:30 p.m. and again at 10 p.m., Niagara Falls will be illuminated in the colors of India's flag, orange, white, and green, as a show of binational support from both Canada and the United States towards our Indian friends. Indian friends, you're our friends, you're welcome. I really appreciate everybody coming out here tonight. There's quite a few of you here, and I better stop talking so everybody can get in before the lightning comes. Hopefully it doesn't. But please, from the bottom of my heart, I thank each and every one of you for coming tonight. You're always welcome here, and we hope to see you again for your 75th anniversary. Happy 74th Independence Day.
Thank you, Honorable Chair. And I would like now to request Tony Baldolini, our Member of Parliament from Niagara Falls.
Thank you, everyone. It's a pleasure to be here this evening, and first of all, I'd like to thank the Consul General for being here this evening, as well as I'd like to recognize the other guests here, Chair Bellows from the Niagara Parks Commission, Mayor Diodati, and Wayne Gates, our Member of Provincial Parliament. So thank you all for being here this evening. It's indeed a pleasure for me as being the Member of Parliament to be here and present this certificate on behalf of the federal government, and it reads, as the Member of Parliament for the riding of Niagara Falls, it gives me great pleasure to extend my sincere congratulations to the Indo-Canada Arts Council on this, the celebration of the 74th anniversary of India Independence Day. I wish you all the best in the years to come. So congratulations on this Independence Day. And what better place to have it than here in Niagara Falls, a greeting place for people from throughout the world. It's a place to celebrate not only your culture, but all of those and the contributions of those made by the Indo-Canadian citizens who call not only Canada, but Niagara Falls home. So congratulations, everyone. Happy Independence Day.
Thank you very much. And now I would request the Honorable MPP Niagara Falls, Mr. Wayne Gates.
Good evening, everybody. Oh, I better take this off. Good evening, everybody. Didn't hear that. Good evening, everybody.
Good evening.
It's a 75th Independence Day, 74th Independence Day. I want to say congratulations. But I want to talk real quick because it's going to rain and pour and we're going to get thunder and lightning. I want to talk about the friendship. as all day today, I watched country after country after country celebrate Independence Day around the world. And that talks to the contribution that India has made to society, whether that be economically, whether that be making sure that we have our doctors and our engineers. So give yourselves a big round of applause, because you made this world better, you made this province better, and you made this country better by your contribution. So be proud of your culture, celebrate our country, and celebrate Independence Day. And I'll get the hell off here before we all get drowned here. Thank you very much for having me. I appreciate it.
Thank you very much. And Jim, a small short word from you. No, a small hello word from you. Jim.
Okay. On behalf of the city of Niagara Falls, happy independence. We look forward to next year. I've been to India. I love the Indian people. We're going to have a real big party next year. God bless.